How to make money as a freelancer in 2023. Hold on to your seats because what we're about to unravel today could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Picture this, you as the master of your time, choosing projects that spark joy and passion, and cashing in checks from the comfort of your home or a beach in Bali. Too good to be true? Not in the least. We're here to guide you through the maze of endless opportunities that freelancing in 2023 presents. Whether you're an artistic soul, a tech wizard, or a wordsmith, there's a treasure trove waiting just for you. So let's don the explorer's hat and embark on this thrilling expedition through the 10 golden avenues to make money as a freelancer. Get ready, because this journey might just be the ticket to the life you've always dreamt of. Number 1. Content writing. Content writing is one of the most in-demand services in the freelancing world. Businesses are increasingly recognizing the value of high-quality, engaging content to draw traffic to their websites, improve SEO, and boost brand visibility. As a freelance content writer, you can offer diverse services like blog writing, article writing, copywriting, and even technical writing, depending on your area of expertise. Getting started is relatively easy. You need to possess a strong command of language, a knack for research, and the ability to understand your client's voice and brand message. However, standing out from the crowd requires more. Continuous learning and skill enhancement, such as mastering SEO basics or becoming adept at different writing styles, can significantly increase your marketability and earning potential. Number 2. Graphic design. Freelance graphic design is another lucrative field. Businesses are continually looking for talented individuals who can visually represent their brand, creating engaging logos, advertisements, social media graphics, and more. The digital landscape is visual by nature, and as such, the demand for eye-catching, meaningful design is high. To excel as a freelance graphic designer, you need more than just creativity. Understanding your client's business and their target audience is crucial. This enables you to create designs that resonate and effectively communicate the intended message. Staying updated with the latest design trends and software, like Adobe Creative Suite, can also give you a competitive edge. Number 3. Virtual assistants. As more businesses operate online, there's a growing need for virtual assistants, professionals who provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance remotely. As a virtual assistant, you could be handling email correspondence, scheduling appointments, managing social media, or even assisting with website maintenance. The key to a successful freelance career in virtual assistance lies in your organizational skills and ability to multitask. Specializing in a particular area like social media management or customer service can allow you to target a specific set of clients and potentially command higher rates. Being familiar with various online tools and software, from project management to cloud storage, can also be a significant advantage. Number 4. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is another flourishing area within the freelancing industry. This umbrella term includes many services like SEO, email marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and more. Companies of all sizes are looking for professionals who can help them establish a strong online presence and reach their target audience. To excel as a freelance digital marketer, understanding the market trends, customer behavior, and analytics is essential. Certifications from recognized platforms like Google or HubSpot can add credibility to your profile and attract higher-paying clients. Remember, digital marketing is a dynamic field, and staying updated with the latest trends and algorithms is a must. Number 5. Web development. Web development is one of the most lucrative fields in freelancing. Every business, big or small, needs a website in today's digital age. As a freelance web developer, you could be building websites from scratch, making updates to existing ones, or even working on complex web-based applications. Strong programming skills, familiarity with different coding languages, and an understanding of good UI and UX practices are fundamental for a career in web development. Moreover, specializing in certain areas like e-commerce websites or responsive design can help you carve out a niche for yourself. Constantly updating your skill set and keeping up with new technologies and frameworks can also boost your market value. Number 6. Online tutoring. With the rise of remote learning, online tutoring has become a popular choice for freelancers. This can range from academic tutoring in subjects like mathematics or English, to teaching musical instruments, coding, or even cooking. The possibilities are endless, and with the right skills, you can cater to a global audience. Firstly, you need to have in-depth knowledge of the subject you wish to teach. Building a rapport with students, engaging in interactive teaching methods, and offering personalized assistance are essential for being a successful online tutor. You can also create courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare to reach a broader audience and generate passive income. Number 7. Translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, offering translation services can be a viable freelancing option. This includes translating documents, subtitles, books, and more. Many companies are looking to expand globally, and they require translators to adapt their content for different markets. Having excellent command over languages is a given. However, cultural sensitivity and understanding context is equally important in translations. Specializing in a particular field, such as legal or medical translations, can also increase your marketability. Being certified by recognized bodies, like the American Translators Association, can add to your credibility. Number 8. Voiceover artistry. The demand for voiceover artists is on the rise, with applications in commercials, audiobooks, animation, and more. Having a unique voice and the ability to modulate it for different characters or moods is the foundation of a career in voiceover artistry. Investing in high-quality equipment, like a good microphone and soundproofing, is essential. Practice is key here. The more you practice, the better you get at controlling your voice. Building a portfolio showcasing different ranges and styles of your voice can also help attract clients. Number 9. Mobile app development. Mobile app development is another lucrative avenue. As more people use smartphones, companies are looking to create apps that cater to their mobile audience. As a freelancing app developer, you can develop apps for Android, iOS, or both. Strong programming skills, familiarity with mobile UI and UX best practices, and an understanding of the mobile market are critical. Specializing in developing certain types of apps like gaming or productivity apps can help you carve out a niche. Also, staying abreast of new technologies and tools in the mobile development space is a must. Number 10. Stock photography. Lastly, if you have a passion for photography, selling stock photos can be a great way to earn as a freelancer. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow you to upload your photos and earn a commission each time someone purchases them. High quality and unique images are crucial. Whether you're capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or people, ensure your photos stand out. Also, understanding what kind of images are in demand can guide you on what to focus on. Building a diverse portfolio and consistently uploading new photos can result in a steady stream of passive income. These 10 ways to make money as a freelancer offer diverse opportunities to utilize your skills and passion. Success won't come overnight, but with persistence, continuous learning, and dedication, you can build a fulfilling and lucrative freelancing career in 2023 and beyond.